Hello everyone. Uh, in my previous video, I show you the lab sheet 3 and now I will show you the lab sheet 4. The tasks are differentiation and integration and some simulation of our sine waves, cos waves like this. So for this we have to first initiate the Simulink. So initiate the Simulink, I just write Simulink uh, Simulink and then enter. Then the box will come where I will find the Simulink. So the Simulink page is here. So now we have to take a blank model from here.
দেন আমাদের এই ডায়াগ্রামগুলো বের করতে হবে। সো এখানে আমাদের যে লাইব্রেরি থেকে লাইব্রেরি থেকে সিমুলিংক চলে এসেছে। দেন আমাদের এখানে হলো
So now from the library so here is come that. So we have to now take the sine wave from this. The sine wave will be found in the subfolder of Simulink. So it is from the source subfolder and the sine wave is here. So we are taking the sine wave. My PC is so laggy. There's a problem. So here it comes. So now we have to take this here. It will be like this here. So now we have to change its values. The values are amplitude will be 5, the frequency will be 2 into pi into 4, 2 into pi into 4. The time will be 0.001. Then tap light. Okay. Now
দেন হলো আমাদের কন্টিনিউয়াস যেতে হবে। এটা কন্টিনিউয়াস
so the continuous is here. So we have to take the derivative and the integrator. So it will be like So now we have to take the time scope from the DSP system. The DSP system toolbox is here. So from here, here is the sync, the sync, the sync. So now we have to take the time scope, the time scope. So for that we have to create some rooms. So create some rooms here. So time scope will be here. So it's too laggy. Wait for a while. Uh, here it comes. So you have to take it here. So now, so we will configure it by double clicking. So the interface is like this. So now we have to change the layout and it will be like 3 layouts. So now from tools, sorry, so view configuration properties, and now we have to make it 3. So for making it 3 we have to take three layouts, sorry, sorry, it will be like 3, apply, okay, it will be now 3 layouts. So now we have to do this according to figure 1. So in figure 1, if we see that uh, it it's like it's more to like the properties is it's like this, then it will be like,
এটাকে একটু বড় করি।
so we'll add these 3 with this, so we have to make it bigger. So the bigger one, so it will be like this, so that it will be like this. So if we just take it to this, make it like this, as the figure shows us. So it will be connected with this, and it will be connected with this. So this 3 will connect it with each other, and then this. So if I run this, Please wait.
So
So it's been compiling, and the figure is, so the figure simulates by this. So the real picture is here. So now it matches with the one. So now we have to do, so we will jump to the next one. The next one is, so now I will delete this whole thing. So it will be now.
আমি এটাকে
So now again we have to take 3 sine waves here. So source, the sine wave is here. From Simulink source, the sine waves are here and here and here. The 3 sine waves. So now we have also take the time wave from the TCP TSP link. Where is the TSP system tool? Here, the TSP system tool from sync will find the time scope. The time scope is here, so I will make it bigger for betterment. So I will have also changes the values by double clicking them. So after double clicking, there will be a window for same view, then configuration, then it will be 3, apply, okay, then it will be 3, okay, the 3 layouts. So now we have to do is, so now we have to change the values of sine waves. So it will be amplitude 2, frequencies uh, 2 into pi into 10. The sample time will be 0.001. So okay, so here it's for this 2, then 2 into pi into 10, then 0.001. So for the the second one is 20 and the third one is 40. 2 frequencies 2 into pi into 40, 0.001. So there is, now we have to take a buffer. So we have to take a buffer. So it's 40, it's 20 and 10. So to getting the buffer, we have to, so it will be in the TSP and signal management, and then it will be buffer. So buffer will be here, so we'll rearrange it by this, by this, by this, and we have to take 3 points here, here, here. So we have to have multi-point here. Sorry, just did the wrong one. There will
করার
be a
পরে এখানে
buffer,
আমাকে নিতে বলা হয়েছে
so
buffer
it will be linked to this,
কেটে দিই
and we have to double click, change the
812
things, so it will be
812 এর
512,
মধ্যে করি দেন এখানে বলা
512,
হচ্ছে
then
ট্রান্সফর্মস থেকে একটা এফএফটি নিতে ট্রান্সফর্ম থেকে
okay.
একটা এসএসটি
So now we have to take from transform a50. So we will take a50 here. So laggy. Wait for a while. So now here it is. So now we will have to double click it.
দেন এটাকে বলা
So
হচ্ছে
we will
কি করতে
done by
এখানে এই অপশনটা আউট
divide
রেজাল্ট বাই
output.
এফএফটি লেন্থ ডিভাইডেড আউটপুট বাই রেজাল্ট আউটপুট সেম
So now okay.
দেন একটা বলা হয়েছে ভেক্টর নিতে আছে
So now we will take the vector.
সিঙ্কের
The
ভেতর
vector scope will be in the sync TCP sync. The vector scope is, but there is no vector scope, so we have to take the initial one. So I will skip that part. So we will search for the vector scope, see if we get that. So it didn't found, so I will search for the ABS, which is on the TCP sync. So where is the ABS in sync? Yes. So ABS, so for ABS I will search it. So here is the ABS, so I will take it. So by adding them all, this to this, this to this, if I run that, it will show me a picture of it will compiling. So let's wait for compiling. So after playing the time scope, it creates a sound, and it shows like this. So I don't know what will happen. So as we don't use the vector scope, so this look like this. And now move on to the next figure. So now if we zoom it by using this tool, and by zooming in, and then we will see a picture which is in our slide also. So it's more likely to that, but I don't know the value as I didn't use the vector scope. So if you see that, now move on to the next slide for next picture. So let's see what will happen there. So now here we have to take in the next slide a sine wave, a two one two three constant, which is the value of sine wave will be, amplitude will be 10, the frequency radius will be 2 pi 50, and the simple time will be 0.001. So now if we look into the picture, what we have to call the math operation from add, so we will search for add here. So what we get, the sum, the add operation is here. So I have to make it for 3, so it will be like this. So make it for 3, I will make it bigger. So from sine wave it will be here. So now I have to take two time scopes. Time scopes are in DCP. As we see, DCP toolbox, the sync, here is the time, sorry, in source maybe. Let's check where is the time scope is in the sync. So we have to take two time scope. We have to take them, so we will make it a little bit bigger. So now we have to make a connection with this, so we have to room for this for 2. So for 2 connections we have to do configure properties on, it will be 2. So and for this it will be 2. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to make a connection here first, so it will be there. So it can be done. So now we have to take two constant constant two constant from where, uh, constant will be in the source, Simulink source. So we have to take two constant 10E3 exam folder. The constant will be constant. The constant will be like, to take 1 2 3 constant. One is for 10. Where is the power constant? Let's find for the power constant here. Where is the constant? Let's see, search for the constant is in the Simulink subfolder. Simulink source folder. So the Simulink source folder, the constants are this. So we have to delete this for make sure. So we got to. So constant is 3 constant. So now we have to change the values of them. So it will be 10e minus 3, 10e minus 3, and this will be 10, and this will be 100e minus 6. So 100e, sorry, 100e minus 6. Why it is not changing? Constant 2. So we'll take it again from there. Constant 100 e minus 6. So why it is looking like this? Make a copy, paste here. Okay, there is the 100e6. Can be done. So in constant 2, the value is 100e6. So in that case 100e6 here. So here is 10, here is 10e3. So now we have to make the join. Here now we have to take the divide operation. Sorry, there is a mistake. Divide. So we have to take the divide operation here. There is the multiply. Where is the division? Here is the divide. So have to take the divide from the math operation, Simulink math operation, for sure. Simulink math operation subfolder product. So my PC just got hang. So the program is now this. If we run this, this will be like the picture will be it's compiling. So if we run this program, what will happen? This will have show us the picture of this, and the later picture is sorry, the picture is this. So we will see these two pictures as shown in the pic. So here is the ending. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.